How do you clean exploded food from a microwave? Imagine opening your microwave after a quick snack and finding a messy explosion of sauce, rice, or soup splattered all over the walls and ceiling. It happens to everyone at some point. No worries, though. Cleaning it up can be simple if you follow a few straightforward steps. First, assess the damage carefully. Open the door slowly and look at the ceiling, walls, turntable, and door to see how much splatter there is. This helps you decide whether you need a quick wipe or a more thorough cleaning. Next, gather your supplies. You will need baking soda, white vinegar, lemon juice, a microwave-safe bowl, hot water, dish soap, a scrub brush or deep clean brush, a sponge, paper towels or cloths, and oven mitts. Having everything ready before you start makes the process faster and easier. Now, the best way to loosen the stuck-on food is with steam. Mix 1 cup of water with a few tablespoons of baking soda in a microwave-safe bowl. For tougher stains, replace the baking soda with 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and a few lemon slices. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 3 to 5 minutes until the water boils. Keep the microwave door closed for 15 minutes so the steam can soften the grime. The acidity of vinegar and lemon helps break down burnt on food. After steaming, carefully remove the hot bowl with oven mitts. Wipe the interior from top to bottom with a damp sponge or cloth. The loosened food should come off easily. For stubborn spots, use your scrub brush with a little more pressure. Avoid abrasive sponges that can scratch the surface. Remove the turntable and wash it separately with dish soap and hot water. Use your scrub brush to scrub away any food debris or stains. Dry it thoroughly before placing it back inside. Finish by wiping the entire interior with a damp cloth to catch any remaining residue. Don't forget to wipe the door and outside of the microwave as well. Your microwave should now be clean and ready for your next meal. To prevent future explosions, always pierce foods like potatoes and frozen meals with a fork or knife to allow steam to escape. Cover sauces with a microwave-safe lid, paper towel, or plastic wrap to contain splatters. These simple steps save you time and effort later. Remember, never use harsh chemicals inside your microwave. Stick with natural cleaners like baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. They are safe, effective, and won't leave harmful residues. Regular cleaning keeps your microwave fresh and prevents stubborn messes from building up.